Our journey begins on the ground, where autonomous ground vehicles are taking center stage. These aren't just your everyday machines, they're state-of-the-art, sophisticated robots designed and built with precision to revolutionize the way we think about military operations. Imagine a world where robots equipped with advanced sensors traverse the rugged terrains of the battlefield, scanning for potential threats. That's not a scene from a science fiction movie, it's a reality in 2024. These sensors, which include everything from infrared to ultrasonic, enable the robots to perceive their environment in ways humans can't, making them invaluable assets on the ground. But it's not just about perception. These ground robots are also powered by advanced machine learning algorithms, helping them make sense of all the data they gather. These algorithms enable the robots to learn from their experiences, improving their performance over time. It's like having a soldier who never forgets a lesson learned and constantly adapts to new situations. And let's not forget about navigation. These robots are equipped with cutting-edge navigation systems, allowing them to move autonomously across diverse landscapes. They can navigate through dense forests, cross turbulent rivers, and even scale steep cliffs. It's the ultimate all-terrain vehicle, except it's not just a vehicle, it's a robot. Now, you might be wondering, what are these ground robots used for? Well, their versatility is unmatched. They're transforming military operations in a number of ways. They can carry out reconnaissance missions, silently exploring enemy territories to gather crucial intelligence. They can also handle supply chain logistics, transporting goods and resources across the battlefield, freeing up human soldiers for more critical tasks. But that's not all. These robots can also be equipped with combat capabilities, enabling them to engage in skirmishes or even defuse bombs. It's like having a Swiss Army knife on the battlefield, one that can adapt to any situation and perform any task. From reconnaissance missions to supply chain logistics, their versatility is unmatched. These autonomous ground vehicles are not just the future of the military, they're the future of robotics, a testament to how far we've come in our pursuit of technological advancement. Taking to the skies, we find a fleet of aerial drones and UAV swarms that redefine the concept of air superiority. These technological marvels are not just flying cameras, they are the epitome of agility, stealth, and precision, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible in the realm of aerial robotics. Imagine a swarm of drones, each one a cog in a well-oiled machine, moving with a purpose, each one aware of its role within the larger group. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie. This is the reality of UAV swarms, a concept that has been brought to life by cutting-edge advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence. These swarms bring a whole new dimension to the battlefield, enhancing reconnaissance and providing tactical advantages that were previously unimaginable. Now let's talk about stealth. In the world of military technology, remaining undetected can often be the difference between success and failure. Aerial drones excel in this area, equipped with the latest stealth technology. Their compact size and silent operation make them virtually invisible to enemy radar, allowing them to penetrate enemy lines without detection. But these drones are not just about surveillance and reconnaissance. They are also capable of carrying out offensive operations. Some drones are equipped with payload capabilities, allowing them to carry and deploy various types of ordnance. This gives them the ability to strike targets with pinpoint accuracy, minimizing collateral damage and maximizing operational effectiveness. The versatility of aerial drones and UAV swarms is truly astounding. They can operate in diverse environments, from urban landscapes to the harshest of weather conditions. They can navigate complex terrain, bypass obstacles, and even operate autonomously when communication links are severed. This level of adaptability makes them an invaluable asset in any military operation. In conclusion, aerial drones and UAV swarms are not just changing the game, they are setting new standards in the field of military technology. They provide a perfect blend of agility, stealth, and offensive capabilities, offering an unprecedented level of air superiority. With every passing year, these robotic marvels continue to evolve, and we can't wait to see what the future holds, providing unparalleled surveillance, reconnaissance, and even offensive capabilities. Diving into the depths, underwater drone fleets are revolutionizing naval operations. As we submerge into the abyss of the ocean, we find ourselves in a world that is as alien as it is fascinating. Here, in the deep blue, a new breed of robots is making waves, the underwater drones. These drones are marvels of engineering designed for stealth and precision. They are crafted to withstand extreme pressures and navigate the murky waters with an agility that is truly remarkable. Equipped with advanced sonar systems, they can map the ocean floor, detect obstacles, and navigate with the precision of a seasoned mariner. But what sets these drones apart is their communication systems. Despite the challenges of underwater communication, these drones are capable of transmitting data in real time, keeping their human operators in the loop at all times. This seamless communication is achieved through a combination of acoustic, optical, and radio frequency technologies. Now let's delve into the roles these underwater drones play. Surveillance is a key function. From monitoring marine traffic to tracking potential threats, these drones provide a layer of security that is unprecedented. Next, we have mine detection. Traditionally, mines have posed a significant threat to naval operations, but with underwater drones, this risk is significantly mitigated. Using their advanced sonar systems, these drones can identify and neutralize mines efficiently and safely. And then we have covert missions. Whether it's infiltrating enemy waters or conducting secret research, these drones are the perfect tools for the job. Their stealthy design and quiet operation make them virtually undetectable, providing a strategic advantage that can't be overstated. In short, underwater drone fleets are not just a novelty, they are a game changer. By leveraging advanced technology and innovative design, these drones are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in naval operations. They are reshaping the seascape, one mission at a time, changing the game for naval forces around the world. Now let's shift our focus to humanoid and biomechanical robots. These fascinating manifestations of science and technology are no longer limited to the realms of science fiction. In the year 2024, they've become integral components of the world's best robot army. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has played a significant role in the development of these robots. Over the years, AI has evolved to mimic human intelligence more accurately. Advanced machine learning algorithms enable these robots to not only learn from their experiences, but also adapt to various situations. Robotic engineering, too, has seen profound advancements. Biomechanical robots, inspired by the structures and functions of biological organisms, are designed to move and interact with their environment much like their living counterparts. Their efficiency, resilience, and adaptability are unparalleled, making them ideal for a variety of military applications. But what roles do these humanoid and biomechanical robots play in the military? Well, their applications are as diverse as their designs. They can assist soldiers in carrying heavy loads, reducing the physical strain on our human forces. They can also perform delicate tasks that require precision and steadiness, such as disarming explosives or performing maintenance on other military equipment. In hazardous environments, these robots can be the first line of defense. They can be deployed in areas with high radiation or toxic chemicals where human exposure could be lethal. They can also be utilized in search and rescue missions, navigating through rubble and debris to locate and assist survivors. Humanoid and biomechanical robots are also capable of executing complex combat maneuvers, often with more precision and less risk than human soldiers. This not only enhances the effectiveness of military operations, but also significantly reduces the risk to human life. These robots are the silent force multipliers of the modern military. They work alongside human soldiers, augmenting their capabilities and ensuring their safety. They are not just tools, but partners in the pursuit of peace and security. At the heart of the world's best robot army is its artificial intelligence-driven tactical decision-making capabilities. It's a thrilling era we're stepping into, where machines are no longer just tools, but strategic partners, bringing an entirely new level of efficiency and precision to military operations. Imagine a battlefield as a complex web of data, where every move, every decision, every command is a piece of this intricate puzzle. Now imagine an AI system capable of absorbing this data in real time, processing it, and providing commanders with strategic insights that could potentially shift the course of the conflict. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now, in 2024. These AI systems are designed to handle the overwhelming flow of information that can often paralyze human decision-making. They sift through mountains of data, identifying patterns, predicting outcomes, and suggesting the most effective tactics based on a myriad of factors. But it's not just about crunching numbers and spitting out solutions. The real magic lies in the harmony between human and machine intelligence. The AI provides the raw analysis, the cold, hard facts. But it's the human commander who interprets this information, applying experience, intuition, and a deep understanding of the nuances of warfare to make the final call. There's a dance of sorts happening here, a synergy between human and machine that turns the battlefield into a dynamic, responsive arena. The AI systems in these robot armies are not replacements for human commanders, but enhancers. Tools that allow them to make faster, more informed, and more effective decisions. This is the era of AI-driven tactical decision-making, where technology and human expertise combine to redefine the art of war. It's a revolution that's changing the rules of engagement, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and setting the stage for a future where strategic brilliance is as much about ones and zeros as it is about boots on the ground. Redefining how military operations are conducted. This is the promise and the power of the world's best robot army in 2024. In an era where cyber threats are prevalent, the world's best robot army places a strong emphasis on cybersecurity and countermeasures. In the digital battlefield, the line between victory and defeat may be as thin as a single line of code. As such, the defense of these robotic assets against cyber attacks is paramount. In our interconnected world, a single vulnerability can compromise the entire network. Advanced encryption techniques are employed to protect sensitive data and maintain the integrity of communication channels. This includes cutting-edge cryptographic algorithms that make it virtually impossible for adversaries to decrypt intercepted transmissions. Secure communication protocols are another cornerstone of the robust cybersecurity measures in place. These protocols are designed to prevent unauthorized access, ensuring that only authenticated devices can communicate with each other. They also provide redundancy, so that if one communication channel is compromised, the system can switch to an alternative channel, maintaining the flow of vital information. But even with the best encryption and secure protocols, it's a fact of life in the cyber world that threats are constantly evolving. This is where robust firewalls come into play. These are the digital equivalent of a fortress wall, designed to keep out malicious intrusions. They monitor incoming and outgoing network traffic, identifying and blocking potential threats based on predefined security rules. In the face of advanced persistent threats, these firewalls are not static defenses. They are continuously updated and adapted in response to new threats, creating a dynamic defense system that evolves with the ever-changing cyber threat landscape. Moreover, the robot army employs intrusion detection systems that constantly monitor the network for signs of a breach. If an anomaly is detected, the system alerts the cybersecurity team, allowing them to respond swiftly and mitigate potential damage. In summary, the world's best robot army is not just a marvel of robotics and AI, but also a testament to the advancements in cybersecurity. Through advanced encryption, secure communication protocols, and robust firewalls, these robotic forces are well equipped to stand against the cyber threats of today and tomorrow, safeguarding critical operations. As we marvel at these technological wonders, it's essential to address the ethical considerations and international regulations surrounding the use of robot armies. The intersection of technology and warfare is not just a matter of capability, but also of responsibility. Firstly, the question of accountability looms large. Who is responsible if a robot malfunctions or makes a decision that leads to unintended harm? This question is not just philosophical, but also legal and moral. The international community is grappling with these issues, and consensus is yet to be reached. Secondly, there's the matter of proportionality and discrimination. These are two pillars of international humanitarian law. Proportionality means that the harm caused to civilians during war should never be excessive in relation to the military advantage gained. Discrimination, on the other hand, requires that parties to a conflict distinguish between combatants and non-combatants. How these principles apply to autonomous weapon systems is a topic of intense debate. Thirdly, the issue of control comes to the fore. How much autonomy should these machines be allowed? Too much autonomy could lead to unpredictable and potentially disastrous outcomes. On the other hand, too little autonomy might render them ineffective. To address these and other concerns, safeguards are being put in place. For instance, many nations are investing in human-in-the-loop systems, ensuring that a human operator is always involved in the decision-making process. Additionally, international regulatory bodies are working tirelessly to establish guidelines for the use and development of military robots. There's also a growing call for a preemptive ban on lethal autonomous weapons. This movement, spearheaded by the Campaign to Stop Killer Robots, is gaining traction around the world. The goal is to prevent the development of robots that can select and engage targets without human intervention. In conclusion, the ethical landscape surrounding robot armies is complex and evolving. As we move forward, it's crucial to balance the benefits of these technologies with the potential risks they pose. We'll explore these critical questions in this segment. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world's best robot army in 2024. This remarkable fusion of robotics, artificial intelligence, and military technology is redefining the very landscape of defense. We've seen groundbreaking autonomous ground vehicles and awe-inspiring aerial drones, not to mention the stealthy underwater drone fleets that are revolutionizing naval operations. We've marveled at the prowess of humanoid and biomechanical robots and appreciated how AI-driven tactical decision-making is changing the game for commanders. We've understood the importance of cybersecurity and the measures taken to protect these robotic troops from cyber threats. And lastly, we've delved into the ethical considerations and international regulations that govern the use of these advanced machines. This is the cutting edge of military technology, a testament to human ingenuity and a glimpse into the future of warfare. If you found this exploration fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.